time is 4:14 a.m.
Hello viewers, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to take a look at the smart stick for blind people. So what are the components, what are the features of this stick? Let me just show you. So basically this smart stick is going to be rechargeable from this port here, and this cable here is used to power the board, which is going to be Arduino Uno. And this speaker here, as you can see, is going to tell the time to the user when someone presses this button here. So this two button here is used to set the alarm time basically. So by default it is going to be in the default mode, and when we need to set the alarm time we need to short press this button. So we go back to alarm time setting mode, and then when we press this button once, the hours will be incremented, and when we press this button again twice, the hours will be incremented again, and the process is repeated. So similarly this is true for minutes as well. When we press this button, the minutes will be incremented. Press this button twice, the minutes will be incremented, and the process is repeated. So we need to go back to default mode. So the way we do it, we just short press this button again, so we go back to the default mode and the alarm is set. And let me just show you the working. Let me just power the board. So as you can see here, this sensor is detecting the object. So let me just place this some far so it won't disturb us. So let me just show you.
Good morning. The time is 5:47 a.m.
Currently it is 5:47, 1 minute ahead, not a problem. So let me just show you once again.
Good morning. The time is 5:47 a.m.
So by default the alarm is not turned on. So firstly we need to turn on the alarm. So the way we do it, we just short press this button once. So now the alarm is turned on. Now we need to set the alarm time, and we need to know what time is it. So
Good morning. The time is 5:47 a.m.
So since it is 5:47, when we are going to set the alarm time, the hours will be incremented from the current time, from the 5:47. So let me just do it again. So now when we press this button again, the 5 will be incremented to 6. Press the button twice, it will become 6. So we are going to set it, we press this button once for 5:48, and we are going to set the alarm time, and going back to default mode.
Good morning. The time is
And the alarm is triggered.
5:48 a.m.
5:48.
Good morning.
And the alarm is going to repeat after every 10 seconds.
Good morning. The time
When we need to turn off the alarm, we press this button for a short interval. Now the alarm is turned off. Let me just show you again, since the time is.
Good morning. The time is 5:49 a.m.
We need to set it. So firstly we need to turn on the alarm. We need to set the alarm. We need to go back, and then we need to wait. So we have set the alarm time for 5:50, and currently it is 5:48. So on 5:49 it will be triggered.
A few moments later.
Good morning.
So now
Time is 5:50 a.m.
5:50 a.m. again, after every 10 seconds it is going to be triggered.
Good morning. The time is 5:50 a.m.
Okay, now So let's just test the GPS, how it is going to work. So let me just press the button here, but before I do that, let me just open the app from here. So this is the app, sorry, this one, not this one. This one is the app. Bluetooth is disabled, we need to currently turn it on. And now since this one is using SC05, so we need to connect this SC05 over here. So we need to press it here. So now, as you can see, it is showing that it is connecting. So in a few moment it will be connected. As you can see it here, it is connected. Now if I press this button for a short interval, then the stick will be going to from the default mode to the GPS sending mode, and when we press this button over here, then we are going to send the coordinates right to the mobile app. So let me just switch the default mode here by pressing this button for a short interval. And now, since the default mode has been switched, now we need to send the coordinates. So let me just press this button over here. Since, as you can see, the coordinates has been received. So when we press this button over here, so it will show these coordinates over Google Maps. We need to do that again. Okay, so the Google Map has been started, and it is going to show you the location, the current location of the stick. As you can see, my location is here, and this one in the red bar is going to be the location of the stick. So this is it.